Hello guys, welcome to another episode of my video. My name is Winnie, and if you're new here, you are so welcome. Today we will be doing a quick video, a quick unboxing of an iPhone 17 Pro Max. So without wasting much of your time, let's get right into it. So here is the iPhone 17 Pro Max in blue color. I'll go ahead and rip up the tags now. And I had the option of picking, I thought of getting the orange color, and I'm like, no, I can't. I don't like orange. I also thought of getting the silver, but I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna go with the blue color because I do like it. It's just like, feels like it's black to me. And here it is, and that's what's in the box. It also comes with a cord, but I do have one already for my other phone, so I don't need it. So I'm just gonna save this for, like, emergencies or something. I'll put it in my car. Now I'm gonna rip open the screen. There's nothing. Yay! Here it is. So yes, this is what it looks like. It has an upgraded camera. I got this case from Five Below. Let's see. So I got this from Five Below. It's hard, so it's nice. So let's go ahead and put that in there, and then let's turn on the phone. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick English. Go with default. So I finished setting up the iPhone. I had to use my iPad because I'm filming with my other phone. And this is the case that I got from Five Below. It's cute, it's sturdy. I don't have a screen guard yet. I ordered some online, and I also ordered a glass that's supposed to go on here. And I also ordered another case that's supposed to, like, protect this area. So when those come in the mail, I will put them on there. But I do love this phone. I love the color because I considered getting the silver because I just wasn't going to go with the orange color. But I'm glad that I went with this dark blue because it's close to black. This will be the first time I'm using a dark colored phone in so many years. I like the size, it's nice, and the upgraded camera is really great. So which one would you get? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.